like let's say you have no anti-spam solution out there. What do you mean by blacklisting and whitelisting and all that?
So, I mean, with all of our EasyIT customers, all of our managed clients, we provide an email security solution. That email security solution is completely transparent to them, but it provides some of the most fundamental and most powerful ways to prevent threats from compromising a company via email. So an example of that would be a blacklist, and where our email security solution subscribes to an industry standard backlist that basically prevents known spammers or computers that have been compromised or known demographics of the world to basically send an email by having them put on what's called a blacklist. That blacklist is used again to not allow those types of entities to ever send email to them, regardless of what type of email it is. The flip side of a blacklist is a whitelist, where we actually allow users to create a group of trusted domains or end users within a domain to ensure that they can send an email as well. So we kind of create a trusted and an untrusted list to begin to mitigate email security threats. But again, there's layers on top of layers on top of layers. We also have attachment filtering. So, an example of that would be we don't allow emails to come through that contain script files, executable files, COM files, batch files, files that 99% of our customers under no circumstances should ever receive via email. So those are examples of layers of email security that we provide that's completely transparent to our end user world. But without a service like ours, end users are left to make those decisions for themselves. If somebody crafts an executable that's designed to compromise a system, provide whether it be backdoor access, install a Trojan, or whatever it may be, that executable gets through, then we're really left at the mercy of that end user making the right decision. And in most cases, end users, when given a choice and they don't have the proper level of security awareness, will tend to make that mistake. Yeah. And ultimately can compromise not only their system, but other systems on their network as well. And again, so it's about education. It's about informing small businesses and their end users, the power behind our solutions and what they mean to them on a day-to-day basis. And again, email being the most widely used application in the world is one that's also the most vulnerable. Right. So our solution provides a way to mitigate most of the common threats that hackers prey on and ultimately use to compromise systems.
Starting to ring, I don't believe it.